You can stay in Grandma's room. Come on, I'll show you what I want to do with it when she moves.
What is that? Do you know what that is? Have you ever seen anything like that?
No, that's the first time in my life.